We will not harm people because they hate us. No, we do not. There is no policy for harming people for hating you. We will, those who commit crimes, like the violating the Cyber Crimes Act, we will make sure that they are brought before the courts of law. And there are so many. We are arresting all kind of criminals in Kenya who have done worse things, killed people, murderers, and all that. We will bring them before justice. There is only a small caution I want to make. As a country, we must make a choice. We must make a choice of the kind of generation we are growing. I find it very funny and very unfortunate that we as leaders, including church leaders, we are glorifying the things that this generation is doing, a few of our children are doing on social media. Sometimes the things that are very unfortunate. And yet we are all glorifying and saying it doesn't matter, you do it again. Even as we do our part as government to make sure that fairness and justice is seen to be done, I want to request society, let's hold hands together to guide our children in the right path, because that is our duty. Is as parents. I really pity the future generation, because some of us who are parents now, in our generation, not the generation of the speaker, in our generation, tumewacha responsibilities and our children are bosses unto themselves. I think it's important, like the Bible says, we guide our children in the right path so that they may be able to also grow a future generation that makes Kenya a country that we must be proud of. Let me tell you as a last statement, Mr. Speaker, if, you know, many of these people who have traveled, they glorify countries like US, Australia, Europe. Those countries are extremely strict in the application of cyber laws, and in fact in the use of social media. They are extremely strict in their own countries. They protect their children against pornography. They protect them against bad language. They protect them against social misfits. They protect them against all kind of evil. But when we come here thinking that we are actually borrowing from them, we are extremely reckless in how we protect our citizens from social misuse of social media. I think time has come that we should revisit that law again as executive and as parliament to make sure that we apply even more stricter rules to protect our children and our country from these bad social behaviors.